How to change character AI background. If you are wondering on how to add a background or wallpaper on the character AI app, then this tutorial is for you. So let's get started. First of all, open the application just like this. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home screen, which are the recent chats. Now to change the character AI background, tap onto one of these chats just like this. Now opening the chat, tap on to the profile icon at the top, just right here, tap on it. Then here you can find the customize chat option right here. Now open it. Then here you can find add wallpaper option, just right here. Now select it. Now here is the thing, to change the character AI background, you need to subscribe to the character AI app first, and by purchasing it you can simply change the wallpaper and add the background. To subscribe it, simply tap on to subscribe for right here, and after purchasing it you can simply add the background or change the background. And that's it. This is how you can change character AI background. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.